Hello. If you're thinking about embarking on online psychological therapy, you might want to know about the guidelines that we've developed to help make that process as effective as possible. My name is Chris Basten, clinical psychologist in Sydney. And I've developed 5 guidelines for you to keep in mind. The first one is to prepare well. If this is your first consultation that you're getting ready for, then you can anticipate your therapist will be asking questions like, what brings you here? What is it that you want to achieve? What outcome is important to you? And so the more you're able to prepare for that by writing things down, then you'll be able to articulate that and get off to a good start. If you're transitioning from in-person therapy to online therapy, then you'll have that relationship in place already, and you just need to prepare for each session with an agenda and doing some homework. The second point is to protect the environment in which you do the therapy sessions. And the chief points to keep in mind are to make sure that the room is a lot like the consulting space that you would have. So it's going to be very private, quiet, and comfortable, so you can really focus in a constructive way for the 50 minutes or however long the appointment is. Number 3, keep it professional. Think about what you want to wear. You want to think about how you carry yourself, as you would if you're in your therapist's office. And that might include things like no distractions. You certainly can't have people walking around, and most people would even want their pets to be out of the room as well. Number 4, just decide with your therapist who's going to keep notes and how you're going to share those notes and documents. There should be a private document sharing system. 5th and finally, talk about the process with your psychologist. It can be different. It can be a little bit uncomfortable. It can feel like the rapport takes a little bit longer to build up. A good therapist is interested in and wants to know how you're feeling about the connection, because the therapeutic relationship is a very important part of any treatment. If you'd like to know more, if you'd like to discuss different options to make it as effective as possible for you, you can contact us at the practice where I work, at our website, www.bastenpsychology.com.au. Look after yourselves, look after the people close to you. Hope to see you soon.